I have said this without number that this strategy really works, and of course it is actually a strategy which I have tried out for over a year, and of course not just me alone. Even my the members of my community also can testify to this. This is a trend trading strategy. If you remember very well, for some weeks now, we've been on a downtrend on this particular asset, and we've milked it several times, even when the market was trying to make an attempt to go into an uptrend. It kept on breaking out from the support zone. Right now, we have an opportunity to buy for a while also, because we don't know if it's still going to go back and break out from the support zone. And this has really been giving us a big profit at the end of the day. And of course, this has been amazing, and this is how you too can also do the same thing, learning this strategy. Okay, so all you just need to do is just for you to sit tight and watch this video to the end, so that we get to learn what we can go for throughout this week. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, can you give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family? Okay, if you have any question at all, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, and of course I will be there to reply you. So let's go straight into what we have right here. So we will be starting with GainX 1200, and of course, just like I have said earlier, this had been on a very strong downtrend for weeks. Okay, and right now it has got into this support zone, so I believe this should lead it into full uptrend. So although it can still come back and break out below this support zone, because the uptrend movement is a bit slow, just the way you are saying it. Okay, so when it got to this support zone and it switched from downtrend into an uptrend, from this red zone into this yellow zone, so I had to do this setup. This happened to be the entry point, and right here is the stop loss. Okay, which is also important. First TP has been achieved, so I just want to see if you should notice I didn't create so many TPs. The reason is the trend is coming from is actually a very strong one. Okay, which is the downtrend. It has been there for days. Okay, so which means that anything can still happen. Okay, so I just want to see if this will lead it into a good uptrend. Okay, and of course if I can still get a few TPs right from there. So TP1 has been achieved, so TP2, I'm hoping that it will also achieve TP2, 3 and 4. And of course, if it should break out from here, then definitely it means that it's going to get to this region, and this will have given me a lot of profit at the end of the day. So right now this is still buying until it's decided to probably, maybe it's now decide to come down to break out from this support zone, but for now it is still very much on uptrend. Okay, so that is the power of trend trading strategy. Once you understand the strategy, you don't need to stress yourself that much. All you just need to do is just to set up your trading orders, set up your TPs, and set up your stop loss. Okay, you can see without stressing myself, it achieved my first TP, and that closed, and the profit made went to my balance. Okay, so the only one that is on is the one for second TP, third TP, and probably the fourth TP. Okay, so that is it. So let's see how those ones will go. Okay, so once the second TP is achieved, that makes two TPs achieved already. Okay, so that's so amazing. It is reducing the number of orders which I have actually put out there. Okay, so that is how beautiful this can be. Okay, so you don't need to stress yourself, you don't need to allow emotion to take over your trading activities. And another beautiful thing which I have been able to achieve with this strategy is coming out with a unique trading tool like this, which gives me an opportunity to analyze the market easily without stressing myself. I've seen what the market is giving to me. I just need to set my orders right? And of course, I need to make sure I use a good risk management system, and I allow it to run. Okay, so that is just what I need to do. Once I do that, then I'm good to go. Okay, so that is it. Now let's check out GainX 999. GainX 999. The last asset we checked out happened to be GainX 1200. In case you want to check it out from your end, most especially if you are using the same trading tool with just like the one I am using on the charts. Okay, so that is it. This actually got to this support region and went into an uptrend, and right from there it's trying to go back into a downtrend again, because if it had broken out from this support region, then we should expect it to get to this particular support region. Okay, so right now it is pulling back, probably the pullback. I will advise you to wait for the pullback to come to an end before you decide if it's going to buy for long, or probably if it's going to go back into a sell signal. This is where I expect the pullback to come to an end. Okay, so personally I feel that it should still sell and try to break out below this particular support zone. Okay, so wait for the end of the pullback first, let it get to this region, and let's see what will happen from there. Okay, now let's move on to GainX 999. This is GainX 999. This actually gave a downtrend after playing around there for a while. It gave a downtrend around here, and gave us sell signal, and of course you can see it selling, and it is still selling. I'm going to take it down to H1 just for us to see a few things right there. This is one thing I love about trading strategy. You can easily trade along with the trend once you understand it very well. The only way you may not want to take so much risk is if it does not if the movement is not that clear. Okay, just like I showed you earlier. So you can see this had been on downtrend right from here. It got to this region, had the major pullback, and got to this particular support zone and played around there for a while, just broken out from there, and it is still selling just the way you are seeing it. Okay, so that is how it works, guys. That is how it works. Now let's go back to let's move on to the next asset so that we get to see what is happening. Just the way we have known, Phoenix 1200 is still selling. Okay, so you guys should take advantage of that. Now let's move on to Phoenix 999. Phoenix 999 had been on uptrend for a very long time. Right from here, it had been on long uptrend. It played around there for a very long time. These are the kind of movement I don't usually like. It is a kind of sideways movements. Okay, so you cannot rely on such movement until there is a proper breakout, and this is when the proper breakout happen. Okay, so the only way you can benefit from this kind of movement is if you had been in the trend for a while, right from here. Okay, so you would have been in profit, and whatever thing that is happening around here, you will be less concerned about it because you are still in profit. And of course, you just need to lock up your some part of your profits at that particular point. So far it didn't get to your stop loss, you are good to go. Okay, so when this breakout finally happens, then you will be among those that will make more profits like that. Okay, so that is the beautiful part of it. Sometimes we have that kind of movement in the market. It is normal. Okay, it is normal. So that is why we call it trend trading strategy. So once you understand the trend, then you are good to go. For those that are not, you can imagine if you are not trading the trend within that region, you are most likely to lose out on all your capital, because you think it is going on buy trend and it comes down again. You think it is going on sell trend and it goes back up again. And if you should notice, this is just moving within a particular spot. Okay, and that is how it works at that particular point. Okay, so you cannot stop it from happening. So right now it has gotten to the resistance zone. It has not been able to break out above the resistance. So this now switched from an uptrend into a downtrend, and of course giving us a sell signal, and this is still selling at the moment. But this is the spiky part of it, so there will always be the normal movement backward till it spikes. Okay, so that is it. So just watch out for this and follow up with this. But if it breaks out above this resistance zone, definitely it means that it still want to buy and it's still going to buy more. So you should understand this. However, I actually expect it to start selling right from here. It has started already, but we just need to know how far this can go. This has actually given us the first TP already, so we want to know if it can achieve the second TP, third TP, and even if it breaks out from there, then I expect it to get to this region. So that is why I am putting it right there. I even expect it to get to somewhere here, but because I always want to play safe, most especially when it comes to public stuff, I always want us to pick up our TP very fast, so that we will be well secured and we will be able to relax. Okay, because we don't have the full control of the market. Okay, so this is very, very important. Now let's check out FX volume 80. Okay, someone asked me about FX volume 80, and I told the person that we were on a particular trend for a very long time. So I mean, for some time. So we are still on the trend, so you don't expect me to drop a new signal on that, because it is still, if you were not within the Telegram channel when I dropped the first signal, then definitely you will feel that we were not dropping any other signal. We have not been dropping any other signal on FX volume 80. That is because we've been on a particular trend, okay? And the trend is yet to come to an end. We thought it's going to come to an end at this point, but it didn't come to an end. It went back up to break out above that resistance zone and got to this region. So right from there, it switched over into a downtrend, and it sold till it got to this region. So right now it's trying to go back on uptrend, and it has started already. So this is buying at the moment, and this time around, if it should buy, it is possible for it to break out from this resistance zone. Okay, this is very, very important, so you guys should follow up with it and see how far this can go. But we need it to break out from here. If it does not break out from here, we might be having some kind of sell movements right from there. Okay, so this is very, very important. So these are some of the things that we are able to come up with today, and of course they will be of help to you today and throughout this week if you know how to put them into use. And of course, guys, I will always update you on each of these assets throughout this week, both on this YouTube channel and also within the Telegram channel. And there will be free signals within the Telegram channel, so if you are not there, then you are missing a lot. And I will also advise you to watch my videos, because sometimes I might just give you every necessary signals in my videos. Okay, so you just need to follow them and pick them up from your end. Okay, so it depends on how busy my daily activities are. Okay, so that is just it. Okay, so guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. Okay, and of course, guys, if you want to know more about my trading tool, reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.